Venezuela's Supreme Court is all set to deliver its ruling on the disputed presidential election and has stated that its ruling will be final. Venezuela's Supreme Court is continuing the assessment that began on August 5th with a view to producing the final ruling and has added that its decisions are binding. Opposition leaders insist that their candidate, Edmundo Gonzalez Urrutia, has won an overwhelming majority, and they have produced what they say are official tallies from voting sites as evidence. Meanwhile, Maduro himself summoned the High Court on August 1st to validate a victory that opponents insist was fraudulent. My colleague Brian Anthony Thomas with us on the broadcast. Brian, take our viewers through the latest from Venezuela.
The ruling that now the Supreme Court will deliver on the contested president election now will be final, as announced even the court's president, Carolsa Rodriguez, during the very hearing on the July 28 vote on Saturday. Now, yes, Rodriguez also stated that the court is continuing the assessment that began on August 21st, 2024 with the aim of seeing a final ruling. And the decisions are final and binding. And even to the fact that most observers also believe the High Court is loyal to President Nicolas Maduro's government, which has claimed a narrow victory in the elections. Now, also another very important point that to be noted is opposition leaders also argued that the candidate, Edmundo Gonzalez Urrutia, won by a wide margin, and they have presented what they assert are official tallies from voting sites are proof. Now, Maduro also summoned the High Court on August 1st to validate what opponents, insist was a fraudulent victory. Now, this week also the court had heard testimony from all the candidates, including Maduro, except for Gonzalez Urrutia, who had said 6 years arrest. Even Gonzalez Urrutia also has not made any public appearance in over a week, while prominent opposition leader Maria Corina Machado, also, who is a former presidential candidate barred from running this time, also stated that she is living in hiding. Even National Electoral Council, that is the CNE, has also ratified Maduro's victory on August 2nd, claiming he won 52% of the vote, but he declined to release the tallies from election sites, citing a hacking incident. And in contrast to that, the opposition also published printed tallies which Maduro denies are legitimate, showing that Gonzalez Urrutia with 67% of the vote. And now definitely the opposition and many observers argue that the alleged hacking of the results is a government fabrication to avoid publishing the election document. Yes, Priya.
For more such videos, subscribe to the Newsx YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.